So friends, today I'll be explaining you about the basic concepts of mastoidectomy. As you can see in this model, this is the ear canal and this is the sigmoid plate and here is the dural plate. So why I have made this model like this, a little wider canal, to demonstrate you exactly how should be the endoscopic approach for a mastoidectomy. Now friends, see, this is somewhere where the malleus head will be there, and here will be the malleus handle, and here will be the head of the incus, which has been marked by blue. If you see the facial nerve, it will be coming from here somewhere in this line and will be going up like this, and somewhere in between there will be the chorda tympani coming from this, like this, in this line. So friends, now what I'm going to, I'll remove the anterior canal wall for your convenience, but before that I'd like to show you how is the orientation. Basically, if I put my pen here, this is the straight line, but if you see, the anterior canal wall is little tilted like this posteriorly, so that the anterior edge is deep inside, a little anteriorly, and the posterior canal wall is also not straight like this, but it is little angled posteriorly. So that makes it difficult, because when you do a antrostomy posterior, when you do a posterior mastoidectomy, you open up the antrum like this, then you cannot go straight like this. You have to take an angle and go deep inside like this, in this angle, to remove this part, attic region, and then you can see the incus and everything. So now for your convenience I'm removing this, because the demonstration will be much easier. Now see what we do in endoscopic tympanoplasty and mastoidectomy. We put the endoscope like this, and we can see this wall. This wall is not straight like this, but it is a little slant. You can see this wall is going little behind. So as it comes outer, it goes little behind. So when we are doing a mastoidectomy, we can directly drill this place, this central place. This attic region we can drill nicely. Once we drill this place, we are able to view what is there inside the attic. We can remove disease, and then we can remove this part of the wall. I have made a marking of the facial nerve here and a marking here. You can see the straight marking. So this I'll call the corresponding line to the sinodural angle, or the attic line of sinodural angle. So we can drill up to this directly, and we can now put our endoscope through this place and see what is there inside. What is there inside in the antrum. Though we can also see from here, if you open this part of the bone, which is lying above the facial nerve, so we can very easily see what is there inside. But if we remove this part, the upper part, the attic region, then what is the advantage? That we can put our endoscope right from above and put it like this and see what is there in the mastoid tip. Now we know our angle, our drill is little angled like this. It is little angled like this. So if we are able to see with an endoscope like this what is there, then we can put our drill from here directly, and it can approach this part. A little angulation may be required to approach the tip part, but it is easy to do. Once you remove this, you can see, once you remove this bone, posterior canal wall bone, you can see the antrum directly, and that's how you are very near to the mastoid cavity, and you can drill easily from here. So for seeing the mastoid tip, we need to remove the attic region bone, and to see the antrum, we need to remove the posterior canal wall. I was talking about the flaps, I'll be talking about the flaps in my next slide. That's all in this. Thank you. This is just a 5 minutes clip to give you an orientation about the mastoid, how it is, and how our endoscopic approach should be done. In the next video, I'll give you details about the mastoidectomy procedure, how we make the flaps, how we basically remove the disease, and after removal of the disease, how we reconstruct the cavity so that we get a well aerated medullary cavity, a well reconstructed attic, and a well reconstructed posterior canal wall, which does not give you a long-term problem of drainage, as well as you can have a good hearing service, a serviceable hearing, and the same time a hearing aid can be fitted. That's all. Thank you.